guy.
Okay, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I do the cloud and make my couch disappear. You can do this with basically any green sheet. You can get a cheap green sheet from either Walmart, Kmart, wherever you are, wherever sells them. Preferably a darker shade of green is better, but I only had a teal one around the house, but that works for me. It's fine. You can mess around with it. Alright, so basically you can see I've already got the sheet set over my couch here. Once you've got that sorted, come down to your webcam here, go to filters, add in a new source filter, go to chroma key. If you've got a green one, you can select green, that's fine. Just drop all three of these sliders down to 0 or 1 for now, that's fine. Because mine's custom, I have to find a teal color, so I'm going to press custom, come down here, and just get it as close to the green screen, or the color of green that I want. It's more of a bluish, I think about there. I'll go with that, okay. Once you've got your color sorted, you can just push the similarity up bit by bit. See, it starts to phase out. Once you've got him all phased out to your liking, that's fine. Close that. And you can also hold down Alt and just drag in the crop just to get rid of anything, that's sticking out or ugly that you don't like. Blow it up. Put it in there. Now, if you've got like a cloud or whatever you want to have yourself sitting on, just load that in as a PNG. I've already got a cloud here. Boom. There we go. We've got Charmander sitting on the cloud. And that's also how I do it for myself and how I sit on the cloud during my stream. Same thing. Just make sure you've got the right area cropped out and you're sitting in there nicely. Make sure whatever you're wearing isn't clashing with whatever you're keying out as well, and you should be